Gentlemen, today we're showing you 7 powerful ways to impress the girl you like and win her over once and for all. Knowing how to get your crush to like you can be a bit of an enigma wrapped in a mystery inside of a puzzle. Some guys may take years to crack the code, but there's always a way. By knowing what girls like and how you yourself can possess those qualities, you'll be on target to make a lasting impression on just about any girl you meet. Sound good? All right, let's get into it. Number 7, seek and destroy. One of the most attractive things you can do, and our first step in learning how to make your crush like you, is admitting that you aren't perfect. But wait, isn't attracting girls about being best? Why would you admit you're not perfect? That sounds like a slippery slope. No thanks, but hang on, because recognizing that you have room to grow and identifying those ways to improve yourself is exactly how you go from 0 to hero. This is a strategy that's tried and true. Find your weaknesses, acknowledge your shortcomings, and eliminate them. Not only will this actually get you closer to perfection, but to your crush, it'll be undeniable proof that you're a man of real confidence. Number 6, nerd out. Maybe it's craft beer, or jazz drums, or the plottiness of the Marvel universe. Everybody's got that thing that they really nerd out over. Well, what if I told you that women love when you're an expert in the things that you're passionate about? See, one of the habits women love is passion, and even if the girl you're talking to isn't into the same things you like, she'll still appreciate your focus, enthusiasm, and vulnerability you show by opening up about your interests. So unless you have an unappetizing passion, being an expert in your thing helps you find women with similar interests and increases your chances of finding someone you really click with. Number 5, be a classic man. The classic man is an all-arounder who seems either to have done it all before or knows how to get everything done now. This is the kind of guy who can be an athlete when it counts and a scholar when it suits him. His mom loves him, and Ryan, that guy freaking hates him. The classic man goes places. And the reason for that is because he's got the right boot for the job. Like these boots here. Today's channel supporting sponsor, Thursday Boots, are handcrafted by cobblers who understand you can't half-ass boots. Thursday boots are made to be worn and broken in. Like the classic man, they get better with age and are built to hold up. Women look at your shoes, guys. And not only that, but as with anything that goes between you and the ground, you want quality. If you want a pair of boots that will tie together the timeless style women can't ignore, you gotta get a pair of Thursdays. Oh, and P.S. hurry, as the number of boots available with our discount usually sell out. Number 4, don't fake it. When you're first getting to know a girl you have a crush on, the desire to use tricks to get girls to chase you can sometimes lead guys to act like someone they're not, and that's bad news. Now, as a relationship progresses, it's natural for personalities to open up and for people to become a little more, let's say, honest. Getting comfortable with each other is good, but if the person you become is so far off from the person you represented yourself as in the beginning, then boy, you got problems. So, what should you do? Easy. Don't sacrifice your integrity to impress a girl. It won't pay off. Instead, just be the real dude you know you are, and you won't have to worry about being someone you're not. Number 3, do the work. It shouldn't surprise you that if you want to learn how to make a girl fall in love with you, you're gonna have to put in some work. Relationships are give and take, and showing her you understand that by putting in some work helps her imagine herself in a relationship with you. So, what does doing the work look like? It's actually pretty simple. Just by doing common sense things like making time to spend with her, trying new things with her, and putting in the effort to get to know her and the things she cares about, you'll impress her by pretty much just being a decent person and help her imagine how great being with you will be. Hey guys, if you like Mantelligence, keep watching because we're showing you 3 more key ways on how to get any woman you want. And doesn't that sound like something you want? All right, let's get back to it. Number 2, flirt. Flirting. It's supposed to be fun, but so often it's just stressful. What counts as flirting? How can you make sure she knows you're flirting? When does flirting sometimes feel creepy? Don't freak out. We're gonna make it real simple so that you can make flirting fun again. Flirting is just treating your crush differently than you treat a friend. It could be the way you pass the sugar when you get coffee, or a joke you whisper to her in a crowd. As long as you're treating her like she's special, and as long as you keep it playful and light, you're flirting. Number 1, make her laugh. We know, basic, right? But the facts don't lie. Laughter is your secret weapon when it comes to getting your crush to like you. So, what's the trick to making funnies? It's easier than you'd think. Just don't be afraid to swing and miss. That's it. No one knocks them out of the park every time, but it's the commitment that matters most. Those are the ways to make your crush like you and impress girls by bringing out your best self. While you're here, why not check out these other powerful videos?